Hey everybody, we are going out for our grocery shopping trip today. It is Friday. We are going to pick up our milk like we do every Friday at the farm. And I'm also going to go to Safeway. I think that's all I'm going to need to do. We had a big Costco haul recently, and so I'm real stocked up on a lot of stuff. And I think I can just get away with Safeway today. So we are going to head out and do that. I have Levi and Renee with me. And Levi is currently chasing a chicken, and the dogs across the street, oh, the rooster, and the dogs across the street think it looks very fascinating and they would love to join in the chase as well. So all kinds of insanity here. We have to take Renee today because after we run our errands, we are going to pick up her best friend who is coming over to spend the night. So of course she has to come with us. So we are headed out. So you caught it?
Yeah.
And this is one of our new roosters, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, this was one of the chicks that we hatched. And of course you never know right at the beginning if it's going to be a boy or a girl. And we're very sad that the pretty white one that we named Marshmallow was a rooster. So yeah, sad news. So far,
tiny spurs on it.
Yeah, so far he's not too mean yet, but you know, with roosters, it's just a matter of time usually. I grabbed the mail on the way out, and I figured I should show you this because it should count as the grocery haul, as part of the grocery haul of the week. It is from Pork King Good. I didn't buy any pork rinds this time. I just was stocking up on the different seasonings we love. So I think I got 3 of the salt and vinegar because that is a favorite. Yep, 3 of the salt and vinegar, and I got 3 of the ranch. That one's my favorite. The kids don't like it quite as much. That sticker's funny. The kids don't like the ranch as much as I do, although they do like it. But I love it, so I grabbed 3 of those. You love it too, Levi?
I love it too.
Oh, you do? Okay, but you like the salt and vinegar better.
No, I like it better.
Oh, maybe it's just Charity that loves the salt and vinegar the best.
Yeah,
And Talia? Okay. And then I just got 1 of the white cheddar. We don't use this one quite as much, but it is nice to have for certain things. So I grabbed 1. So we are all stocked up on our favorite Pork King Good seasonings. I do have a coupon code for Pork King Good stuff. I'm not affiliated with them. Like, I don't get a commission from orders, but they did give me a coupon code to share with everybody that gets you 10% off your order. Okay, now headed in to Safeway. Cheeses are on sale, so I'm gonna get 4. Let's see. What others? All right, Colby Jack and Havarti. That sounds pretty good.
Oh yeah, those are 2 good ones.
Any amazing reduced things? No, not so much. Gingerbread coffee. No, I don't think so. Need some baking powder. We're getting low on that. I wish this was on sale, but it's not. We'll just get 1 to tide us over and wait until it is on sale. I have a coupon that takes these from $4.49 to $2.97. And no, we have pickles at home. And so I'm gonna stock up on these. Gotta grab a few avocados. I have to look at them, hold on. And we'll get some peppers.
Would we get pistachios or do we have pistachios?
No, let's not do that this time. Maybe at Trader Joe's next time we go.
When are we ever gonna go to Trader Joe's?
Hopefully sometime soon. No, it's a little far out of our way. All right, 4 is good. Yes. And some cucumbers. You want mushrooms?
Yeah.
What do you want to eat them in?
I want to eat them in like soup.
Mushroom soup?
Yeah.
All right, we'll get some. Let's do these ones.
Okay. How many of these?
Just 1. That's enough to make a good soup. All right, go ahead and put them in the...
Can I hold them?
You sure you can hold them?
How about I like mushrooms.
I'm so glad.
Over here.
Garnish for the week. We still have a few bananas, so we'll just get one bunch. No, don't need a pineapple.
What even are these?
Those are, oh, wait. Papaya strawberry sunrise? No, what does it say on here? Oh, no. Kiwano melon.
Can we try it?
Kiwano melon.
Can we try it?
No, I don't think so. $6.79 a piece. Ooh, that's expensive.
And these are not what ones.
What are those?
Not well.
Red cactus pear. I've never had one of those.
Well,
No, we're not trying those today. Oh my goodness, all kinds of things that we don't know. Passion fruit. Oh, this is passion fruit.
No.
I should have known that.
Can we have some of that
No, we're supposed to bring a side dish to a dinner,
today?
and so I think we'll bring some grapes. Are those your two favorite things?
Yes.
Mushrooms and carrots?
And oranges.
Wow.
Because I can't get but I can't.
But you can't carry all of everything that's your favorite.
Yeah. Grapes.
And the what?
banana.
Oh, I think
Little banana.
you just love everything that we got.
Yeah.
All right, I think we got everything we needed. We're gonna go ahead and check out and then go pick up our milk. We will do a quick cart haul here before I get it all packed up and put in the car. So I stocked up on the tamed jalapenos. We love these in our house. I put them in guacamole and then also just on top of all kinds of things. So I got 6 to stock out the pantry since I had that good coupon. I also grabbed 2 of the mild banana peppers. I got 2 of the fire roasted diced green chilies. They weren't a great price, but I'm completely out in the pantry and I just got a couple to tide me over until I can find them on a good deal to stock up. I got 2 things of grapes. These were not on sale, but I thought they'd be good to take to a dinner we have tomorrow with some friends. So I grabbed, I think it was like 4.5 pounds of grapes. The cheese was on sale. 4 was the limit, so I got 2 Havarti and 2 Colby Jack. And then we got Levi's mushrooms, which apparently he already ripped open, but I guess we're gonna be making some mushroom soup, which he is super excited about. We got some green onions and some cilantro for garnish this week. We got a couple of cucumbers. I'm also going to take a veggie tray to the dinner tomorrow. So I think the cucumbers and then some of the peppers, and that's why I also got these baby carrots, are going to be for the veggie tray. We got 2 bags of baby carrots, but Levi had to open them already and is already munching on them. So got that for the veggie tray. Got a couple of yellow onions just for cooking. I got 4 avocados, 1 bunch of bananas, 1 bag of organic romaine hearts, a bag of little red onions, and then a couple baking things. We got baking powder, and we got 1 of the special dark Hershey's cocoa, which is the best cocoa in my opinion. And I think that is it. The total that we spent was $90.84, and I'll give a quick view of the receipt for those that want to see the prices of everything. And then we are gonna run to pick up milk. We are gonna run to pick up Renee's best friend, and that will be our excitement for the day. Dropping off our empty bottles, gonna acquire our milk. We have already acquired best friend, and so we're almost done, and then we'll go home for more fun times. What you gonna make?
Mushroom soup.
Mushroom soup. And you have a recipe in mind?
Yeah.
What's gonna be in the soup besides mushrooms?
Carrots.
Bell peppers?
Bell peppers and
What's the green stuff? Celery? And onions?
onions.
And then did you want it to be like thick and creamy soup or just like soup water?
Soup water.
And then chicken, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Is that a good cut?
Yeah.
So you're gonna slice these or make them into like cubes? How are you gonna do it?
Like this.
Like nice slices?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Now something.
All right, I'll start working on the chicken, okay? While you do that, the mushrooms.
Oh, it's hot when it's all done.
Yeah, the steam is very hot. All right, you want to try to stir it a little bit?
Yeah.
And saute those in there. You can hold on to this handle. It's not hot.
Oh, you put the broth in?
Not yet. We gotta saute these things first. Woo! Things are flying, man.
Yeah, I know.
Gotta keep them in the pot. Oh, there's another mushroom over here. The seasonings we're gonna add, we already discussed it. We're gonna do some Redmond seasoned salt, which is amazing in chicken soup and mushroom soup.
Yeah, that's really
And
good.
I like to add a little bit of this for flavor, but not too much because we don't want to make it spicy. We got some onion and some garlic, and we have our broth. I think that's all we're gonna need. Unless you want to add like thyme. Do you want to add thyme?
Wait, what time?
Do you want to smell it?
Oh, it sounds like. Oh, I've seen this.
It's thyme. They're little thyme leaves.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why is it called thyme?
That's just what they call it. It's not spelled the same as like time on a clock.
Yeah.
Smells so good, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's put some of that in.
Well, I want to eat some.
Oh, you do?
Well, should I like?
It doesn't
mix
taste very good by itself. Yeah, you can mix that in.
I see it's looking good.
It is looking good.
This is easy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Just make sure it doesn't splash. You can kind of squeeze it just a little bit. Is it all out?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, stir it a little bit and then we'll let it come up to a simmer.
It's better showing with the
Oh man,
water
that
in
looks
it.
so good.
But we already have celery in it.
Yeah, we do. All right, that looks pretty good. You ready to let it cook?
Yeah.
With soup, you gotta let it cook until everything's nice and soft.
You want to play some Uno games and stuff like that?
Play Uno while it cooks?
Yeah.
Sure. How many thumbs up you think? 10?
28.
28?
Like 1,000.
1,000 out of how
A
many?
Googleplex.
A Googleplex out of how many?
A Googleplex?
Okay, that means it's perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.